Chapter 7. Geometry. Basic concepts of geometry. The word geometry is derived from the Greek word geo, meaning earth, and metria, meaning measurement. Point. A tiny dot made with a sharp pencil or a pointed pen gives you a point. We use a capital letter of the English alphabet to name a point. A point shows an exact position or location. It is represented by a dot on a sheet of paper. It has no length, breadth, or thickness. For example, P, A, and X are points. Straight line. A thread, when held tightly between two hands, represents a straight line. Line segment. A line segment is a straight line between two definite points. Suppose P and Q are 2 points on a plane. If we join these 2 points by a straight line, it becomes a line segment. P and Q are its end points, and PQ is its length. In short, a line segment PQ is written as PQ. Line. A line does not have a beginning or an end point. For example, if A and B are 2 points on a line, then the line is denoted by AB. Intersecting lines. If two lines intersect, cut each other at a point, then they are called intersecting lines. The point at which 2 or more lines meet is known as the point of intersection. Any pair of 2 lines can meet only once. In the figure alongside, lines AB and RS meet at a point O. So, O is the point of intersection of RS and AB. Ray. A line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called a ray. Thus, a ray has only one end point, and it does not have a definite length. Given below is a ray CD. It is denoted by CD. It has an end point C. Types of lines. Lines are of 2 types, straight and curved. Straight line can be horizontal, vertical, or slanting. Hold a piece of thread tightly. You will get a straight line. Now, hold a piece of thread loosely. You will get a curved line. Open and closed figures. Open figure. Look at the given figures. If you start drawing from any point on these kinds of figures, you will not be able to reach the starting point. Such figures are called open figures. Closed figures. Look at the given figures. If you start drawing from any point on these kinds of figures, you will reach the starting point. Such figures are called closed figures. Such figures can be made up of straight lines, curved lines, or a combination of both. The area enclosed by a closed figure is called its interior. Measuring line segments. We measure the length of a line segment with the help of a ruler, 15 centimeter or 30 centimeter scale. Let us learn to measure the length of line segments. Step 1. To measure the length of a line segment. First, place the edge of the ruler showing the centimeters along the line segment PQ. Remember to adjust 0 on the ruler at point P. Step 2. Read the ruler at point Q. Here, the mark on the ruler is 6 centimeters. So the length of the line segment PQ is 6 centimeters. Drawing line segments. To draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters, follow the following steps. Step 1. Place the ruler on a plain paper. Step 2. With a pencil, mark a point as P on the beginning of the line segment. Step 3. Put the 0 on the ruler at point P. Step 4. Count 5 centimeters ahead on the ruler and mark another point Q. Step 5. Draw a line along the edge of the ruler from P to Q. Length of line segment PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Symmetry. The dotted lines divide the figures in 2 equal parts, mirror halves. The figures in which one part overlaps with the other part exactly are called symmetrical figures. We can identify symmetrical figures using a mirror. Place a mirror along the dotted lines. What you see in the mirror is just like the other half of the shape. This dotted line is called the line of symmetry. View. Have you ever looked at things from different positions? Car, front view, side view, top view. Jug, front view, side view, top view. All the objects are seen from different positions. They look different when seen from the top, the front, or the side. Plane and curved surfaces. The part of an object which can be seen, touched, and felt is known as the surface. Surface can be plane, flat, or curved. Plane shapes. Rectangle. A rectangle is a closed shape. It has 4 sides and 4 corners, vertices. The sides of the rectangle A, B, C, D are AB, BC, CD, and DA. The corners of the rectangle ABCD are A, B, C, and D. The length of the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, that is, AB equal to DC and BC equal to AD. Square. A square is a closed figure. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. The sides of the square PQRS are PQ, QR, RS, and SP. The corners of the square PQRS are P, Q, R, and S. The length of all sides of square are equal, that is, PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SP. Triangle. A triangle is a closed shape. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. The sides of the triangle X, Y, Z are XY, YZ, and ZX. The corners of the triangle X, Y, Z are X, Y, and Z. Circle. A circle is a closed figure. It does not have any corner or side. Diagonal. A diagonal is a line joining the 2 opposite corners of a shape. If you join the opposite corners of a rectangle, you get 2 diagonals. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal in length. You can draw 2 diagonals in a square. The diagonals of a square are also equal in length. You cannot draw a diagonal of a triangle and a circle. 10-gram. 10-gram is a traditional Chinese puzzle. A square divided into 5 pieces or 7 pieces is called a 5-piece 10-gram or a 7-piece 10-gram, respectively, that can be arranged to make designs. A 5-piece 10-gram consists of 3, 1, 1. A 7-piece 10-gram consists of 5, 1, 1. Example 1. A 5-piece 10-gram can be arranged to form the following picture. Example 2. A 7-piece 10-gram can be arranged to form the following picture. Solid shapes. Look at the solid shapes given below. Sphere, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Surface of solid shape is called a face. The line where two faces meet is called an edge. The pointed corner of a figure is called a vertex. Cube. A cube has 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. All the faces of a cube are square and are of same size. To draw a cube, draw 2 squares of same size. Then join their corners. Cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. The faces are plain and all the edges are straight. The opposite faces of a cuboid are of same size. To draw a cuboid, draw 2 rectangles of same size. Then join their corners. Sphere. A sphere has no corners or edges. It has only one curved face. Hemisphere. When a sphere is cut into half, it forms 2 equal shapes. This shape is known as hemisphere. Cylinder. Take a few circular coins and stack them one on top of the other. The shape that we get is a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 curved edges, 2 flat faces, 1 curved face, and no corners. To draw a cylinder, draw 2 circles of same size and join them with straight lines. Cone. A cone has 1 curved edge. It has 1 curved face, 1 flat face, and 1 corner. To draw a cone, draw 2 lines from a point on the circle.